We're going to talk about something a little bit weird. Not many programming languages let you do what we're about to do. So I've already got my interpreter open to the right location. I've already got a script, and I already wrote in some of the things from the course website into the script. The add, subtract, and do something methods. So first I'm going to load up the script so I can call the functions. There we go. And first things first, what I want to show you is if I do type of add, and I give it like 5 and 2, well, we're going to add the numbers 5 and 2 together, which is 7, and the type of 7 is an int. But we can actually ask, what is the type of the add function? It's a function. Python recognizes that that function is in fact a function. So notice the way I wrote add in there. I wrote the name of the function and there were no brackets there at all. There was no brackets. Okay, so now let's look at the do something method. This is weird. This is where things get weird. So if I say do something, I can actually pass it a function as a parameter. Before, we were only ever passing values to the parameters. Now we're passing a whole function as a parameter. So to do this, I'm going to pick the function add. And I'm not going to include the brackets here. If I include the brackets, things won't work right. No brackets when you want to pass the function. Just like when we asked what's the type of the function, no brackets. That's when we want to treat it just as like a function. And I'm going to then give it 5 and 7. And close the, hit run, 12. That makes sense, right? Maybe not. It's a little weird. So we actually are passing add to f. So f is now kind of like a synonym for the add function. A is 5 and B is 7. So if we go inside the do something function, you will see that we're now calling f, and then we put brackets after that f. Now we're treating that function like we want to call it. So we're giving it the parameters, whatever the do something method got, and we passed the values a and b just right on. And f was add, so we go up to add now, and then add just takes whatever a and b were, returns the sum, which gets returned to here, which then is returned to whoever called do something, which was us right here in our interpreter. It's a little weird. If you're a little uncomfortable with passing functions as parameters, you're normal. This is a little bit strange, but it's kind of cool, and it's going to come in handy a little bit later in the course, and it's a pretty cool thing that Python offers.